Here's some hydroponic gardening trivia. Subscribe. Which type of hydroponic system utilizes a nutrient film? Is it A, deep water culture, B, NFT system, C, ebb and flow, or D, wick system? The correct answer is B, NFT system. What kind of light is commonly used in indoor hydroponics? Is it A, LED light, B, neon light, C, halogen lamp, or D, incandescent bulb? The correct answer is A, LED light. What does pH measure in a hydroponic solution? Is it A, salinity, B, nutrient level, C, temperature, or D, acidity? The correct answer is D, acidity. What substance is often used for aeration in hydroponics? Is it A, sawdust, B, perlite, C, sand, or D, gravel? The correct answer is B, perlite. What is a popular hydroponic fish used in aquaponics? Is it A, salmon, B, trout, C, tilapia, or D, catfish? The correct answer is C, tilapia. Which growing technique pairs plants and aquatic species? Is it A, aquaponics, B, aeroponics, C, permaculture, or D, hydroponics? The correct answer is A, aquaponics. Which hydroponic system uses wicking to deliver nutrients? Is it A, deep water culture, B, aeroponic system, C, wick system, or D, nutrient film technique? The correct answer is C, wick system. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.